What is up guys, this is Fact Circle. You're watching some psychological facts, so let's move on to the video. The line at McDonald's at grand opening of the first McDonald's in Moscow, January 31, 1990. If you pay attention, you will notice people don't listen, they just wait for their turn to talk. A man in South Africa adopted a baby hippo after it was rescued from a river. The world's most expensive soap costs $2,800, which is not for sale. The average woman spends 1 year of her lifetime trying to what to wear. Did you know Bear Grylls broke his back after falling from 16,000 feet due to torn parachute? Doctor said he wouldn't be able to walk again. 2 years later, he climbed the Mount Everest. People with ugly handwriting are very creative. Bad and messy handwriting is also a sign of high intelligence. Harry Patch, the last surviving soldier of World War I. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. Masturbation is clinically proven to be good for your health. Mr. Narendra Singh Kapni, the father of fiber optic. Just because him we are surfing high internet today. This is the perfect way and a better idea to prevent water pollution. Bruce Lee was really so fast that they had to run his movies slower so that you can see his moves. Did you know more vehicles are stolen on New Year's Day than other holiday? A small lake in Africa killed 1,700 villagers and 3,500 livestock overnight. It took 200,000 years for the human's population to reach 1 billion, and then it only took 200 years for it to reach 7 billion. All the American flag placed on the moon are now white due to radiations from the sun. Two rivers meeting without mixing white and black, Aragvi River in Georgia. Thailand supermarket uses innovative banana leaf for packing instead of plastic bags to avoid unnecessary plastic wastage. If you play dead in order to kill or capture an enemy in war scenario, you are committing a war crime according to Geneva Convention. Birds occupy the sky in Rome. Did you know baby elephants suck their trunk for comfort just like human babies suck their thumb? Did you know almost 14% of Google employees have never attended college? A blue whale creates a largest sound in the animals at 188 decibels. If you kill a killer, the number of killers in the world remains same. Did you know Amazon's largest warehouse is already 1 million square feet, which is about 17 NFL football ground in size? Woman donated her kidney to save the life of her boss, who then fired her when she took the long to recover from that operation. This watch cost $1 million and it replicates the movement of the solar system. There is a device that fits over your car exhaust pipe, captures pollution and turns into ink. Marrying your best friend will reduce the chance of getting divorced by 70%. The world record for the loudest thing ever shouted belonged to the Irish teacher who shouted the word quiet at 121 decibels. Did you know cows don't have upper front teeth? Did you know Rolls-Royce cabin is so silent that you can hear ticking sound of a clock placed inside it? The smallest living dog in terms of length is Chihuahua, who is measured 15.2 centimeters. The road through the Death Valley, USA stretch about 225.3 kilometers in a single straight line. Did you know dragon's blood tree bleeds when you cut it? Study shows that over-strict parents actually produce kids with lower esteem who behave worse than other kids. The largest cave in the world is in Vietnam. It has its own forest and clouds inside of it. Did you know Rap God by Eminem packs 1560 words into 6 minute 4 second song? That's over 4 words per second. Romeo and Juliet was not a love story. It was a 3-day relationship between 13-year-old and 17-year-old that caused 6 deaths. This is called the Venus hole. It is a sign of good health and many benefits and unique if it's present in a girl. Hey guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.